This is exactly how I was able to connect my phone and Android TV via Bluetooth. So the first thing we need to do on our Android TV is to just go to quick settings here, as you can see, so click on all settings, and then what you need to do on this page is to just scroll down and click on remotes and accessories. Now in here what you need to do is that if you can click on pair accessories, sometimes you have to do so on your TV, just so you know. But what I myself had to do is that I had to go to settings on my phone here and then go to Bluetooth and then turn on Bluetooth. And then I had to find my living room TV. Here, as you can see, it's gonna say pairing. So I'm just gonna wait for it to pair here a little bit. So we need to wait a couple of seconds. Sometimes it's really fast and sometimes it's extremely slow. So you can see right here, sometimes you also have to write the code into the TV. I didn't for some reason, but then I just clicked on pair here and now it was connected. And if I go back and click on remotes and accessories, then you can see my phone right here and I can unpair it if I want to. But basically that is exactly how I myself was able to do it.